In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how to become a certified professional organizer. Hi, I'm Katherine Lawrence. I train and support new professional organizers and guide you to live a life with less clutter. So this is a question I've gotten from a couple of you guys about, do I need to become certified? Do I need to be certified in order to work as a professional organizer? So I wanted to explain some of the details about the certification program. And in 2007, the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals launched a certification program for professional organizers. Now, I was very proud to sit for that inaugural exam back in 2007. And as a certified professional organizer, I am required every 3 years to renew my certification. So to maintain that certification, I don't need to sit for the exam again, but I do need to submit to NAPO that I've been taking CEUs, or continuing education units, at least 45 hours over the last 3 years. Now, there are a ton of training programs to become a professional organizer. I run one myself. And so some of you guys have asked, what is the difference between a training course in professional organizing versus a certification in professional organizing? And the short answer of that is that you need to be trained and experienced as a professional organizer before you can sit for the exam to become certified. So I highly encourage you to get experience in the field, work with your clients, document all of that paid work that you're doing, read books, build a portfolio, and then after you have built up about 1,500 working hours in the field, you can take the exam to become a certified professional organizer. Now, NAPO makes this really simple for you. If you go on their website, there's actually a workbook that will walk you through the entire process of being prepared to become a certified professional organizer. So there's information about the tests, there is a recommended reading list, and just other tips to help you navigate and record all of your training that you've taken up to that point. And one kind of cool thing is that you can substitute a few of those hours. I think it's up to 250 hours can be substituted out of that 1,500 hours of experience. And here is the current pricing for taking that exam. And the exam is taken online, and you can get all of the details at this link. So the certification program is not something that you take instead of getting your training as a professional organizer. It's something that you pursue after you've been working as a professional organizer and have received training and experience. So my advice to you is to start taking paid clients as soon as possible. And the benefits of being certified are that you're going to have confidence in yourself and credibility moving forward so that you can have a long and prosperous career as a professional organizer. Now, in my 17 years of business, I have seen more organizers quit this industry than I can even count. But the ones who take their training seriously and pursue that certification as a goal and then obtain that certification, they seem to stick around and have a thriving business. And if you're wondering how to launch your professional organizing business, or you've kind of been mulling over starting a business but you don't quite know what the next step is, I encourage you to get my free ebook. It's going to give you a list of 30 things to do in the next 30 days to launch your professional organizing business. So my question to you is, are you working towards your certification? And what challenges are you facing starting this business as a professional organizer? I'd love to hear from you. You can put those in the comments below. Also, like and subscribe to my channel for more tips on minimizing, decluttering, and the business of organizing. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.